Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. But first we should say that this title slide is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situation, it is completely coincidental and not responding in fact any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is the advertisement of a supermarket called Megamart. We want to show that it is a business with a friendly and pleasant environment with a wide range of products where families can go to shop. As usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We always make sure that the image we insert is relevant to our topic. To attract the buying audience we want, namely a family, we will insert an image that will show a family doing their shopping. Let's start by designing the title slide of the presentation. We go in the design area, right click format background, we choose solid fill color, eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, click rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, size, height 19.05, or if you have inches in your settings, 7.5 inches in your settings, and width 20 centimeters. Or if you have inches in your settings, it's about 7.87 inches in your settings, if you have inches. Now with the rectangle clicked, we go to format shape, fill, color, eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, line, no line, and right click, click edit points, and we go to the borders of the rectangle, right click, add point, right click, add point, right click, add point, and we adjust the points by drawing the lines so as to create the desired curves. And that's it. Now we will add two more rectangles, but in order to have the same curves and not to force ourselves, we will copy and paste the existing shape. We just change the width. Right click copy, right click paste. Shape, format, we go to width, height the same, and width 19 centimeters. We go to fill, color, eyedropper, we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area, and then right click copy, right click paste, height the same, and width 18 centimeters or 7.08 inches if you have inches in your settings. And now we go to insert ribbon, we choose pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert into the slide and click insert. Right click cut, We go and click the third shape that we have created, picture or texture fill, clipboard. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Now we will create the supermarket logo. We go to Insert Ribbon. We choose and click Text Box. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose a body font, size 72. Color with the eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side, the third color outside of the design area, and we write our logo. Mega. And now we will change the color again. Eyedropper, we choose the second color outside of the design area, marked. We will put two small rectangles. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Here we prefer. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape outline, no outline. Right click copy, right click paste, and we put it in the desired position. Shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the third color outside of the design area. Shape outline, no outline. Now we will insert our title. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose and click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose again a body font, we choose size 28. We go to Text Fill, eyedropper, we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, the ultimate super market experience. Where convenience meets quality. Close apostrophe. And now we will insert our presenter's name. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose and click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again a body font, 18 size. We go to the color, eyedropper, we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. Martha G. Santos. Now it's animation time. First we group the shape 1, 2, 3, right click, group, and then we start. We go to animations, entrance fly in, start with previews, effect options from right, we want it from right, duration 1. We go to the logo, entrance grow and turn, nice, start after previous, duration 1, effect option as one object as it is. We go to the first small rectangle, entrance floating, effect options float down, okay, duration 1, start after previous. We go to the second rectangle, small rectangle, entrance floating, effect options float up as it is, duration 1 as it is, start after previous. We go to the title, entrance fly in, effect options from bottom as it is, start after previous, duration 0.75. And we go to the presenter's name, entrance fly in, effect options from bottom as it is, duration 0.75, effect options from bottom as it is. Now we click at the slideshow button to see the final result. And we see that we forgot to click start after previous, and now we want to see the slideshow button, to put the slideshow button to click to see again the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!